Today we will try to learn the major iron ore mines of India with the help of mnemonics and link method about which we discussed in my last videos. Link of the last videos is given in the description box for those who have not yet watched the previous videos. So here I am sharing the content of class 10th geography book and the topic is iron ore mines of India. First of all, we will read the paragraph carefully. Then we will underline all the difficult words from the content. Now we have some keywords which are difficult to memorize. Now we are going to discuss the states which are providing the iron ore in India through this trick. The mnemonic is mock good job. So mock means teasing, and those who used to do good job, they are teased by the people who not used to do job. This will help you to learn the states which are providing iron ore mines in India. M stands for Maharashtra. O stands for Odisha. C stands for Chhattisgarh. K stands for Karnataka. Another G stands for Goa and J stands for Jharkhand. These are the major iron ore producing states. There are many other states which used to provide iron ore, but in a very small quantity. So we are not discussing here. So first one is Odisha state, where we can find many iron ore mines. So we are going to learn the iron ore mines with this mnemonic. Mayur can't do Sundar Odissi. Suppose here Mayur is a girl who cannot do Sundar Odissi dance which is found in Odisha. So Mayur stands for Mayurbhanj, can't do stand for Kenduzar, Sundar stands for Sundargarh, Odissi stands for Odisha. So this is the shortcut of iron ore mines of Odisha. This statement will help you to learn all the iron ore mines of Odisha. Next is iron ore mines of Karnataka. So we will go with another statement which will help us to memorize the iron ore mines of Karnataka. Here is the statement. Karan could tumble bell on Chitra's chicken. Suppose here Karan is a boy who is very angry with the Chitra's chicken. So he wants to kill the chicken of Chitra by putting a heavy bell on chicken. Let's see how it will work. Karan stands for Karnataka. Kud stands for Kudremukh. Tumble stands for Tumkur. Bell stands for Bellary. Chitra stands for Chitradurga and chicken stands for Chikmagalur. So these are the places of iron ore mines of Karnataka. You can learn these all with the help of this statement. Karan could tumble bell on Chitra's chicken. Let's move on. Next is iron ore of Goa, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. So here is the statement. Jhar Singh got bail for 36 drug. He got Maharatna at Chandrapur, or you can say he stole Maharatna from Chandrapur temple. It's up to you. So we are taking Jhar Singh was a thief who was arrested for 36 drugs, but he got bail and later he found a Maharatna at Chandrapur. Now listen to the statement. Jhar stands for Jharkhand, Singh stands for Singhbhum, Got stands for Goa, Bail stands for Bela Jila, Drug stands for Durg, Maha stands for Maharashtra, Ratna stands for Ratnagiri, and Chandrapur stands for Chandrapur. So these are the major iron ore mines of Goa, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. So friends, as I already told you, there are many other iron ore mines, but we covered the major iron ore mines which have greater importance in India than others. Hope you like it, and now it is easy to memorize. So friends, if you like the video, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.